So in this video we are going to learn about inserting charts and how you can add and modify it according to your requirements. We will be taking a small data for this. We can insert various type of charts by going into a column insert, and there is a group called chart where you can add any kind of chart you like. Whether you want to insert a column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar graph, area chart, scattered, or any other type of charts you want to insert according to your need. Bar chart and pie charts are very different from each other, as pie charts are mostly made for larger and precise form of data. How can you insert a chart? अगर आपको शो करना है कि आपका मंथली बजट जो है आपको मोर विजुअलाइज्ड फॉर्म में शो करना है कि आप इसे कैसे इजीली कन्वे कर सकते हैं कि हमारा कितना खर्चा हुआ किस मंथ में कंपैरिजन करके. तो हाउ विल यू डू? सी, आई एम सिलेक्टिंग दिस पार्ट. मैं सिर्फ टोटल्स को छोड़ रही हूँ. ये पार्ट मैंने सिलेक्ट किया and I clicked on the type of chart I needed this, and you can see and bar graph is formed, a 2-column bar graph. Any type of graph you need, color changing, any style you need will be available to you through this functions available in the Excel sheet. See, these are our bills, and these are the amount which we spent. If you want to edit any data, you can edit here. Like if I edit it as 750. Your electricity will be reduced to 750. In this charts you can make various changes. You can go on design and choose any type of design you want to. Change a chart type. You can convert it to any. If you want to convert it in a line chart, you can convert like this. If you want to convert it into a area chart like this, but it looks more convenient in a column chart. You can switch your rows and columns as well. Like your months will appear here and your bills will be the bullets. You can select the data to switch from this app. Next is you can change the chart layout by this. Like if you want to insert a chart title, you can insert it here. I am inserting a chart title. So you can change your title, like I have kept the title monthly budget, and you can change its layout according to your choice, according to your designs, like where you want to keep the axis titles, chart titles. Like in the, I am keeping the horizontal X title below. Like what are these? These are the bills. So I am going to name it bills. Whatever you want to keep. I want to keep a horizontal data, vertical tile. So what do I want to? This is amount. So you can write it like this also, or whatever the layout you want to do. You can move your chart to another sheet. Just by using a one step, not cut copy paste. You have to just do it. आपने जाना है इस पे move chart and you have to select new sheet जहाँ पे आप उस chart को move करना चाहते हैं and just OK and your sheet is moved. From the layout you can change the layout, you can label each and everything. And one more thing, if you want that your data also shows, so you can go there on the data table and choose show data table. Your data table for each and every month is here with the chart. Your whole overview is there. You can change the chart name to month. Hope you all liked the video. I'm Diksha. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of the new video.